Are you a visual learner, an auditory learner, a kinesthetic learner, or a combination of two or all three? To make your study time more effective, think about how you learn the best. We all have certain modes that we employ to make it easier to learn and remember information. So, know your learning style. What's your style? Visual learners like to read and are often good spellers. They may find it hard to follow oral instructions or even to listen unless there is something interesting to watch. When visual learners study, they often benefit from graphic organizers such as charts and graphs. Flashcards often appeal to them and help them learn, especially if they use colored markers, which will help them form images in their mind as they learn words or concepts. Auditory learners, by contrast, like oral instructions and may find written materials confusing or boring. They often talk to themselves and may even whisper aloud when they read. They like being read aloud too. Auditory learners will benefit by saying things aloud as they study and by making tapes for themselves and listening to them later. Oral repetition is also an important study tool. Making up rhymes or other oral mnemonic devices will also help them study, and they may like to listen to music as they work. Kinesthetic learners like to stay on the move. They often find it difficult to sit still for a long time and will often tap their feet and gesticulate a lot while speaking. They tend to learn best by doing rather than observing. Kinesthetic learners may want to walk around as they practice what they are learning, because using their body helps them remember things. Taking notes and making flashcards are important ways of reinforcing knowledge for the kinesthetic learner. It is important to know that most people learn using a mixture of styles, although they may have a distinct preference for one style over the others. Determine which is your dominant style, but be open to strategies for all types of learners. So, have a look at this short summary here. Visual learner. Form images in your mind. Use color codes. Use flashcards. Auditory learner. Say things out loud. Record tapes for yourself. Explain things to others. Kinesthetic learner. Write it down. Walk or move around as you study. Act it out. Here are some questions to help you determine your dominant learning style or styles. Number 1. If you have to remember an unusual word, you most likely A. Picture the word in your mind. B. Repeat the word aloud several times. C. Trace out the letters with your finger. Number 2. When you meet new people, you remember them mostly by A. Their actions and mannerisms. B. Their names, faces are hard to remember. C. Their faces, names are hard to remember. Number 3. In class you like to A. Take notes, even if you do not reread them. B. Listen intently to every word. C. Sit up close and watch the instructor. A visual learner would answer A, C and C. An auditory learner would answer B, B and B. A kinesthetic learner would answer C, A and A. So, what's your style?